Hey everyone, today class topic trigonometric equation. That means the first thing, what do you mean by trigonometric equation? The equation containing at least one trigonometric function. One trigonometric function is known as trigonometric equation. Suppose we have example like this: 2 sine theta minus 1 will be equal to 0, or I can say tan theta is equal to root 3. They're containing what? Sine theta, tan theta, yeah, cap, a trigonometric function. That means the equation containing at least one trigonometric function is known as trigonometric equation. Now, in trigonometric equation, remember types of solution. Now, in trigonometric equation, what? Types of solution. If I'm talking about types of solution, then basically there are three types of solution. The first one is your particular solution. Second one is your principal solution. And the third one is your general solution. Third one is your general solution. That means the first topic, what do you mean by particular solution? The first thing is, what do you mean by particular solution? That means, what is particular solution? A particular solution is a value of unknown angle. A particular solution is the value of unknown angle. That means a particular solution is the value of unknown angle. Suppose 1 upon 2 in case of sine is a value of what? 1 upon 2 is the value of sine pi by 6 or sine 5 pi by 6, or that means we can say the lot of angle that contain values what? 1 upon 2 in case of sine. In case of cos, if I'm talking about in case of cos, the value of this is your pi by 3. This is the value of cos 2 pi by 3. That type of solution is known as what? Particular solution. Second one is your principal solution. Second one is what? Principal solution. That means the least value of theta in the interval 0 to pi. The least value of theta in the interval of 0 to pi is called principal value of that function. If suppose I have a question, y is equal to sine theta, which will be equal to 1 upon 2, then I know in case of 0 to 2 pi by 2, 0 to 2 pi, the theta will be contained pi by 1 upon 2 at pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6. These two value is known as what? Principal value or principal solution of the trigonometric equation. And the third and major important part, that is your general solution. The third and major part is what? General solution. Now, if I'm talking about general solution, that means in consideration of general solution, there's some basic properties we should know. Suppose if sine theta will be equal to 0, that means what? Theta will be equal to n pi, where n belongs to integer. If cos theta will be equal to 0, then I know theta will be equals to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to integer. If tan theta will be equal to 0, then we know very well theta equal to again n pi, where n belongs to integer. Now, if sec theta equal to 0, that means theta equal to what? No solution. If cosec theta will be equal to 0, that means what? Theta is equal to no solution. They all are the basic key of general solution. They all are the basic key of general solution. After that, we should remember one more important thing. If sine theta is equal to sine alpha, then remember theta will be equal to n pi plus minus 1 to power n of alpha. If cos theta will be equal to cos alpha, then we should know theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. If tan theta will be equal to 0, sorry, not 0. If tan theta will be equal to tan alpha, then you should know that theta will be equal to n pi plus alpha. They all are known as basic key of general solution. Suppose we have a question on this topic. There are a lot of type of questions. There are total 7 to 8 type of question based on this topic. Type 1 question की बात करते हैं. Suppose type 1. Type 1 question given by like this. Suppose you have a question. If sine 2 theta equal to 0, and find its general solution, then you know very well. If sine 2 theta equal to 0, that means what? 2 theta will be equal to n pi, and theta is equal to n pi by 2, which is known as general solution for the above question, where n belongs to integer. Suppose we have another question. If sine theta is equal to sine theta upon 2 is equal to -1, then in this case, what will be the solution? We know very well sine theta upon 2 is equal to minus of sine pi by 2. Means I can say theta upon 2 will be equal to, sorry, that means I can say sine theta upon 2 will be equal to sine of minus pi by 2, means theta upon 2 will be equal to n pi plus minus 1 to power of n minus pi by 2, or I can say theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus 1 to power of n into 2 into minus pi by 2. They all are known as basic types of. Now, suppose we have one more question on this based on this topic. I can say 2 cos square theta plus 3 sin theta is equal to 0. Find its principal solution. In this situation, you know very well. First, convert your equation in terms of one variable. That means you can say 2 into 1 minus sin square theta plus 3 sin theta will be equal to 0, or minus 2 sin square theta plus 2 plus 3 sin theta will be equal to 0, or you can say 2 sin square theta minus 3 sin theta minus 2 is equal to 0. Then after that, factorize the equation, or you can say 2 sin square theta minus 4 sin theta plus sin theta minus 2 is equal to 0. Something is common, which is what? 2 sin theta common. Then you get what? Sin theta minus of 2 plus 1 is common. Then you can say sin theta minus 2 is equal to 0, or you get sin theta minus 2 in bracket 2 sin theta plus 1 is equal to 0, or from here, you know very well if the product of two numbers is 0, then what? Either sin theta minus 2 equal to 0, but sin theta is not equal to 2. Why? Because sin theta less than equal to 1 and more than equal to minus ka 1. Now means what? 2 sine theta plus 1 equal to 0, or you can say sine theta is equal to minus 1 by 2, means minus of sine pi by 6, means you can say sine theta is equal to sine of minus pi by 6. If sine theta equal to sine alpha, then you know very well theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 to power of n minus pi by 6. This is known as type 1 basic question based on general topic. In next class, we will continue with type 2, type 3, type 4, and so on, different type and different questions. Thank you.